Every jar of honey begins with a tiny journey like this. Worker bees visit thousands of flowers every day, collecting nectar drop by drop. What looks like a simple flight is actually one of nature's most efficient food gathering systems. The honey harvesting process starts when an experienced beekeeper carefully opens the hive. Every movement must be calm and controlled. A healthy hive can contain tens of thousands of bees working together toward a single goal. As the beekeeper examines the honey-filled frame, each capped cell reveals the colony's hard work. Bees create these honey reserves not for humans, but as food to help the hive survive through challenging seasons. Before collecting honey, beekeepers use gentle smoke to keep the colony calm. Contrary to popular belief, the smoke does not harm the bees. It simply creates a safer environment for both the bees and the beekeeper.
Gently now, just getting them off. They're moving well.
Once the honey-filled frames are collected, they are carefully packed for transport. At this stage, every frame represents weeks of effort by thousands of hardworking bees.
Grab the large one first.
The journey from hive to factory is about to begin.
Setting it down now. Keep them calm. Mind the bees, let's load up. Watch your step with this one. That fits perfectly there. Back it up slowly. Easy, easy, keep coming. Stop right there, perfect. All right, let's get this unloaded. Keep pushing. Just a little further.
Just right up here.
Watch the rack in the back.
Before processing begins, every frame undergoes a quality inspection. Even the smallest details matter. This careful examination ensures that only high-quality honey continues through the production process.
Time for a fresh batch. All right, locking this one in. Secure the lid. Initiating extraction.
Inside the extractor, centrifugal force spins the honey out of the comb. For the first time, golden streams begin to flow freely. Weeks of nectar collection are transformed into pure, liquid honey. Freshly extracted honey now enters the filtration stage. Tiny wax particles and natural debris are removed while preserving the honey's natural qualities. This process improves clarity without altering the product. Quality control starts with a simple sample. Technicians collect a small amount of honey for testing, ensuring that every batch meets strict production standards.
A slight variance in the pollen count here.
Yes, but the pH levels are within the acceptable range.
One of the most important tests measures moisture content. Honey with excessive moisture can ferment over time. That is why producers carefully verify moisture levels before packaging.
The humidity is still too high. Adjust the parameters. It's coming down now. Process stage is drying.
Multiple honey batches are blended together to create a consistent product. This step helps ensure that every jar delivers the same appearance, texture, and quality.
The blend is complete. Time for final verification. Perfect consistency. Batch 24 to 105 is approved.
Honey naturally tends to crystallize over time. A controlled warming process gently reduces crystallization while preserving the honey's desirable characteristics.
We need to monitor the temperature to ensure it's stable.
Understood. The consistency looks perfect.
The honey now passes through a fine filtration system. Microscopic particles are removed, creating a cleaner and smoother final product while maintaining its natural sweetness. The packaging process begins with sterilized glass jars. Every container must be thoroughly cleaned and prepared before receiving the finished honey. Food safety remains a top priority. Automation takes over as filling machines dispense precise amounts of honey into each jar. Thousands of containers can be filled efficiently while maintaining consistent volume and quality. Metal lids are placed and secured onto every jar. A proper seal protects the honey and helps preserve its freshness during storage and transportation. Although advanced machines perform many inspections, human expertise remains essential. Technicians carefully examine selected jars to verify that they meet strict quality standards. The product finally receives its identity. Labels are applied with precision, transforming a simple jar of honey into a professional retail-ready product. Finished honey jars are carefully packed into shipping cartons. Each carton represents countless bee flights, millions of flower visits, and a remarkable journey from hive to table.
Pallet 4 is ready? Okay, I'll move it to staging. We have the paperwork here.
Forklifts transport palletized honey cartons through the warehouse. Behind every shipment is a coordinated logistics system designed to move products
Pallet
safely
12 is
and
ready.
efficiently.
Copy. Pallet 12 coming through.
All right, bring it on in. Watch that corner, slide it left. Perfect, secure it tight.
The journey continues as freight
I'm
trucks
starting to
transport
sort
honey
the
across
individual
highways
units.
and regions. What began as
Moving
nectar
this one
collected
into
from
lane 4
flowers
now.
is now on its way to consumers around the world. At the retail store, employees stock honey jars onto supermarket shelves. After a long journey through harvesting, processing, and packaging, the product is finally ready for customers. The journey ends where it was always meant to. A spoon dips into golden honey, revealing. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.